Namaste all viewers. This is Pasha here from Krishna Pearls and Jewelers, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad. So I came with a very nice collection today, a combination with the gold and pearl also and plain pearls also. So please do visit our store, or you can directly call to our number 9248036721 for any requirement, pearl requirement. We have multiple outlets in Hyderabad. We are in Charminar, Patargati also, and we are in Taj Krishna, Banjara Hills Road number 1, inside the Hotel Taj Krishna, and we are in High-Tech City, in Novotel Hotel, and lot of collection in Jubilee Hills Road number 36. We have collection with the diamond and gold, plain gold, pachi work, and nice articles. Collection with the silver articles also we have. So I am going to show you very nice collection today with the pearl combination, pearl and gold with the coral. This is a very nice piece. See, this is a South Sea pearl here with a 22 karat gold and pumpkin coral what we have used in here. The champagne color of South Sea, the double layer, 2 layers here, and all with 22 karat gold what we have used in. The total weight is 125 grams, 2 lines. If you want to customize, we can do it 1 line also. See this one, I'll show you. It's a very pretty piece. And the very premium quality South Sea what we have used in here. The net weight of gold is 24 grams in the all 2 lines. The coral is now in the movement. Very nice corals. The capsule shape South Sea what we have used in champagne color. The total weight is 125 grams here, and then net weight is 24.6 grams what we have used in. And this is hallmark jewelry, and this is coming to approximately 5,22,000 rupees. The double length chain. If you want to go for single also, you can use single chain also. 1 lane also is possible. See how nice it is. And what we have used in here, the South Sea is very high quality, premium quality is what we have used in here. It's very less dense. And on top of this, very nice caps what we have used on top of this, each pearl and each coral. See, the back chain is here to exchange the length. If you want to add some more links also, it's possible. Length can be adjustable, front or back. See how nice it is, how pretty piece it is. The pumpkin design corals and South Sea. In gold what we have is this 22 karat hallmark jewelry. So approximately it's costing you 5,22,000 rupees. And lot more nice collection what we have. So please do visit our store, Krishna Pearls and Jewelers, road number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. We have multiple outlets in Hyderabad. And please do visit our website, or you can call to directly our WhatsApp number 9248036721, or you can log into our Instagram also. Please follow our Instagram. And viewers, I need your comments. So please do comments if you like any designs. Our executive is going to help you. One more collection. I have a very nice chain with the ruby and emerald combination with nice Nakshi balls here. See how pretty it is. This one. These are emeralds and these are rubies. Again, it is in double line, 2 layers. The nice stone real gems combination. Here bottom what we have given here emeralds, and top of this is all rubies and Nakshi ball. Antique polish what we have given here. These are all antique polish. And back side is a chain, the same chain, like that only. If you want to increase the length or decrease the length, that also is possible. See how pretty piece it is. They are all natural stones. Again, it is in 22 karat only. The total weight is 66 grams, And the net weight gold what we have is in 31 grams. See how nice it is. It's a very pretty piece. It is a unisex product. It can be worn by either, both. On Sherwani also it looks very pretty. You can add some more chains backside and it looks very nice. See how pretty it is. If you want to customize one line also is possible, or multiple 3 lines also we can do it. It's costing you approximately 2,65,000 rupees for the double line chain. See how pretty it is, how nice. And lot more nice collection what we have in the store. So please do visit our store. It is in road number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. It is near check post, near to metro station also. It's very location is very accessible. And got one more in the silver combination, silver with the yellow polish, the gifting purpose. Very pretty piece. This is silver. Silver is alloy mix, and the yellow polish. And what we have in the middle, the CZs and our freshwater pearls. Freshwater pearls with the 3 lines, 3 lines here, and in between also what we have is the CZ, small CZs, the multiple line here, all freshwater pearls here. And we will get matching earrings also with this. This is costing you 13,500 rupees. In the same range, we have lot more collection here. Please do visit our website, or you can call to our number 92480-36721. Just have a look. With the close up I will show you. See how nice it is. 3 line. How pretty it is. See? All freshwater pearls. I will show you from the back side also. See, this is the either side of this one. This is what we have used here, yellow polish with the alloy silver. And matching earrings also I will show you. It can be matched with any pearl studs also, you can wear it. This small party wear, it's very nice piece. See, these are the earrings to match with this. How nice it is. The price is 13,500, and we are, on top of this we are giving 20% off also. You will get 20% off also, and on the pearl jewelry, the non-gold jewelry, and we are giving free shipping offer also we are giving on Pan India. Wherever you want, we will ship also. So no charges for the shipping, and 20% off also we are giving. So this kind of jewelry we have lot more collections. If you want to see some more collections, please do visit our website, or you can call to directly our number 92480-36721, or you can follow our Instagram, you can follow our website also. See, I have for regular use I got one more very nice string with a multicolors here, multiple stone, multiple pearls here. See, multicolor. These are all multicolors. These are all natural colors, natural freshwater pearls. We have different sizes also in this one. Right now I got a medium size in my hand. This is medium size what I have showing you. This is costing you approximately 8,200 rupees. The chain. The pearl chain is costing you 8,200 rupees. We have matching earrings also, but that is separate. It will match with any pearl, white pearl, pink pearl also. So very nice collection we have in the Jubilee Hills, road number 36, in the main store in Hyderabad. So guys, please do visit our website, or you can call to our number directly 92480-36721, or you can visit our website, you can follow our Instagram. Lot more collections what we have. I got one more collection. See, one more pearls here with the 5 lanes multiple. This is called Panchalada. 5 lanes with the white pearls, freshwater white pearls. See how nice it is. It can be worn by unisex. Very nice. On the sherwani, it looks very nice. Back side we have given a clip here, or if you want, we can provide a thread also. Thread also we can provide you. See how pretty it looks. This is evergreen white color. It suits with the unisex. It can be worn by both groom and bride also. This is costing 56,500 rupees for 5 lines. Is a medium size and graduation, small to big size. You can see the size of the pearls. What we have used on top here is a small size. In the bottom, what we have used in bigger size. See how nice it is. We have matching earrings also. Dangling, if you want to wear a dangling, we have studs also. Stud, if you want to go for a stud, we have, it's available studs also. Or you want to go for a 2 lines, double line, 3 lines also, it's available here like this. Readily available 2 lines, 3 lines. So please call to our number. Our executive will ready to help you, and we are giving a free shipping and 20% off on the plain pearls jewelry like this, the non-gold product. And we have nice collection in the bracelet to matching this also. Very nice bracelet, multiple bracelet what we have, multicolor and pink, peach, white, the different shapes and different sizes what is available. And the sizes I'll show you one by one. See, this is the pink color here. This is a pink one. This is costing you the medium size. This is very slightly graduation. This is costing you 8,600 rupees. This one. And one more I'll show you. The basic range here, 1,000 rupees also what we have. This one for gifting is very nice. Freshwater, natural freshwater pearls. We are giving lifetime guarantee for this one, and we are giving 20% off on this. What is the tag price? And free shipping is available. So guys, please do visit our website. See, this is only 1,000 rupees. And similar, we have a chain also like this, starting from 1,600 rupees. The same like this chain, pearl chain. You can mix and match with the earrings also. See, one more I'll show you. One bracelet. This is a button pearl here. It's the elastic one. I'll show you this one. See, the adjustable here, elastic bell. Slightly you can expand it. This is costing 1,700 rupees. Here the silver color balls here. This is the color balls, and these are freshwater button pearls. The flat button pearls. It looks very nice. See how pretty it is. The adjustable, slightly what we have given adjustable, the elastic band here. And multicolor also I have. Multicolor bracelet. See like this multicolor bracelet. This is also very fine quality pearls. This is 2,800 rupees. It's costing you, and it will match with this some like this chains. See, this is also multicolor. All colors. This is also multicolor. And earrings also is available. So please guys do visit our website, and you can directly call to our number. And we are giving all pan India free shipping and 20% off on this kind of jewelry. To see a more collection, you can call to our number. See like this. इसमें आपको white color भी मिल जाएगा. Something like this. White color में ये आपको 3,100 का कॉस्ट है. 3,100 इसका कॉस्ट है. इसका मैचिंग आपको चेन भी मिलेगा. The cost is right now is for the bracelet. मैचिंग चेन आपको कोई भी रेंज में स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वी हैव 2,000 से लेके आपको 20,000 30,000 तक मिल जाए. इट डिपेंड अपॉन द साइज एंड द शेप. आपको उसमें भी मिल जाएगा. इसका मैच कर सकते हैं आप. इसका ईयरिंग भी मैच कर सकते हैं. तो गिफ्टिंग के लिए बहुत वेरी यूनिक पीसेस, और इसका लाइफ टाइम गारंटी रहता है आपको, और फ्री शिपिंग रहेगा और 20% ऑफ रहेगा इसके ऊपर आपको। ऑल पैन इंडिया व्हाट वी आर गिविंग फ्री शिपिंग ऑल्सो। और एक आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ वेस्टर्न वेयर के लिए, बहुत अच्छा है। दिस इज सिल्वर चेन के साथ में है, वेरी नाइस पिन ऑन द वेस्टर्न वेयर विद द साउथ सी पर्ल्स, साउथ सी पर्ल विद द सिल्वर चेन। इसका मैचिंग इयरिंग्स भी है इसमें साथ में। ये नेचुरल साउथ सी पर्ल्स है, एडजस्टेबल लिंक्स भी है पीछे बैक साइड में, और 925 आपको सिल्वर रहेगा ये चेन, और ईयरिंग के साथ में आपको टोटल कॉस्ट 28,300 है। इसके ऊपर भी आपको 20% ऑफ मिलेगा, विल गेट 20% ऑफ ऑन दिस, एंड यू आर फ्रॉम आउट ऑफ हैदराबाद यू कैन बुक इट, वी आर गिविंग 20% ऑफ एंड फ्री शिपिंग ऑल्सो। इसमें आपको ब्लैक कलर में मिल जाएगा, दिस इज कॉल्ड ताहिशियन पर्ल, आई हैव इन द ब्लैक कलर ऑल्सो। So guys, please do visit our website, or you can call to our number directly 92480 36721. See this one, ऑफिस वेयर के लिए दिस इज वेरी नाइस पीस। इसका मैचिंग इयरिंग्स भी है, विल गेट इन द ब्लैक एंड शैम्पेन बोथ कलर, 2 colors is available. So I am going to show you regular for this party wear earrings. Chanbali is in the movement. So for Chanbali, what we have given here, enamel, the new design what we have used is enamel work here. ये अभी तक आया नहीं था, अभी इसके ऊपर हम लोग enamel work यूज कर रहे हैं। See, for any, just like this pink color dress or green dress, it will match very nice, it looks very pretty. और बीच में जो है सीजर्ड यूज किया हुआ है, these are all zircon stones, और लाइट वेट ज्वेलरी में है, दिस इज वेरी लाइट वेट ज्वेलरी। See, this total weight is 21.9 grams. So gold what we have used in here 13.2 grams. It is in 22 karat gold and hallmark jewelry. So costing you approximately 91,000 for the set. For this pair is coming 91,000 only. 13 grams of gold what we have used, and natural emeralds, real emeralds and real pearls, and these are zircons, CZs, cubic zircons what we have used in here. See, it's a very pretty piece. And one more earring I have got you, I'll show you that also. A very nice piece, how pretty it is. See, ये small parties के लिए, this is also very pretty piece, this is a very nice piece. See here, I'll show you. See this one, इसमें onyx stone है, red onyx and pearls, and in between what we have used in here CZs, CZ यूज किया हुआ है इसके अंदर. दिस इज ऑल्सो इन वेरी लाइट वेट, दिखने के लिए बड़ा है बट इट्स वेरी यूनिक पीस. See how pretty it is. The total weight is 23.4 grams, and the net weight what we have is 9.6 grams of gold here. So it's costing you approximately 80,000 for the entire set. This pair is costing you 80,000 rupees. See how pretty it is. So guys, please do visit our website, or you can directly call to our number. Again, I am going to show you one more time. This is all jewelry. This is our coral set here, coral with this, with the pearl champagne color, and these are ruby with the emerald and antique balls here. And this is silver, silver with the yellow polish with 3 lines pearls. And regular use, you can go for some multicolor pearls here. In the white color is also available, and single color also is available. Or you can go for something like this panchlada, 5 lines, multiple lines also we have. We have in single, double, and triple lines also. See, nice bracelet what I got it today, starting from 1,000 rupees. And this is a very nice Chanbali. and the western wear, some like this South Sea pearl with a chain. I have in the black color also. So guys, please do visit our website. We have a very nice schemes also, gold benefit schemes also we are running here into our showroom. So please follow our Facebook and Instagram also. Please do our website, do visit our website. Here you can visit our website www.krishnapearls.com, or you can follow our, for more designs just follow our Instagram and FB Live also. It is situated in Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Krishna Pearls and Jewelers, Hyderabad. It's near to check post. So please take care, all viewers. Thank you for visiting our website. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.